In this question, it is given that fx is equal to this expression where x is real number, be a function which satisfies this condition. Then the value of a plus b is equal to, you have to find the correct choice. First of all, just for convenience in writing, I'm naming this part as a and this part as b. Hence my fx will become x plus a sin x plus b cos x. And now, first of all, I open sin x plus y. I'll get fx is equal to x plus 0 to pi by 2 sin x cos y plus cos x sin y into fy dy. Note that in this integral the variable is y. For this integral x will be taken as constant. Therefore it can be written as x plus sin x into 0 to pi by 2 cos y fy dy plus cos x into 0 to pi by 2 sin y fy dy. Clearly this is a constant, this is also constant. And now comparing this with the given expression, this I can say this is a and this is b. Hence we conclude that a is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos y, and the value of fy is clearly y plus a sin y plus b cos y dy, and the value of b is 0 to pi by 2 sin y into fy is again y plus a sin y plus b. Now I am telling you few formulas which I am going to use, and these are 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power nx dx. The value of this is always n into n minus 2 into n minus 4, and here n minus 1 into n minus 3 and so on. It's clear that difference in these cases and here are 2. If odd numbers are going on, last number will be 1. If even numbers are going on, last number will be 2. Similarly here also. And pi by 2 will come only if n is even. If n is odd, pi by 2 will not come. Similarly, this is the formula for 0 to pi by 2 cos to power nx dx is also equal to this. And one more formula which is not being used in this question but it is related to it, therefore I am telling you that also. 0 to pi by 2 mx into cos to the power nx dx. This is equal to m plus n minus 2 and so on, and here m minus 1 m minus 3 and so on, and n minus 1 n minus 3 and so on. And in last, pi by 2 will come only if both are even. If one of them is odd or both are odd, pi by 2 will not come. Pi by 2 will come only when both are even. And one more formula is integral of fx to the power n into f dash x dx is fx to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. But in case n is minus 1, then the answer is log fx. That is log of if n is equal to minus 1, if n is not equal to minus 1. And now to calculate the value of a, I get 0 to pi by 2 y cos y dy plus a 0 to pi by 2 sin y cos y dy plus b 0 to pi by 2 cos square y dy. This is equal to, it is y sin y minus here I have used integration by parts plus a sin square y by 2 0 to pi by 2 plus b 2 1 and pi by 2. The reason of this I have just now told, and I get pi by 2 is plus now cos y 0 to pi by 2 plus a into 1 by 2 plus b by 2 into pi by 2. That is a becomes pi by 2 minus 1 plus a by 2 plus b pi by 4. That is I get a by 2 minus b pi by 4 equal to pi by 2 minus 1. And now using this I get b equal to 0 to pi by 2 y sin y dy plus a 0 to pi by 2 sin square y plus b 0 to pi by 2 sin y cos y dy. That is b is equal to y minus cos y plus cos y dy plus a into 1 by 2 into pi by 2 plus b 0 to pi by 2. That is b is equal to sin y 0 to pi by 2. This part will be 0 plus a pi by 4 plus b into 1 by 2. That is I get b by 2 minus a equal to 1. That is one relation I have got is this, and another relation I got was this. And from these two relations it is easy to observe that if I add the two I will be getting a plus b into 1 by 2 minus a plus b into pi by 4 equal to pi by 2. That is I get a plus b is equal to pi by 2 upon 1 by 2 minus pi by 4. That is I get 2 pi upon 2 minus pi. And because a was this, b is this, hence I get a upon pi square minus 4 plus b upon pi square minus 4 is equal to 2 pi upon 2 minus pi. That is, I get a plus b is equal to 2 pi upon 2 minus pi into pi plus 2 into pi minus 2. That is a plus b. I get minus 2 pi into pi plus 2. Hence, I can say second choice is the correct choice. The alternative way of getting the value of a plus b is in b, use the formula of 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f a minus x dx. You must be knowing this formula. If I use this formula here, I'll be getting b equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos y into pi by 2 minus y plus a cos y plus b sin y dy. And now it is easy to see that if I add these two, everywhere a plus b will come. See, a plus b is equal to 0 to pi by 2 into cos y plus a sin y cos y plus b sin y cos y. And now b cos y and a cos y. That is a plus b into cos y and dy. And it is a plus b equal to pi by 2 into sin y 0 to pi by 2 plus a plus b into 0 to pi by 2 sin y cos y plus a plus b into 0 to pi by 2 cos y dy. Hence, I get a plus b is equal to pi by 2 plus a plus b into sin square y by 2 0 to pi by 2 plus a plus b into 1 by 2 into pi by. This means a plus b is equal to pi by 2 plus a plus b by 2 plus a plus b into pi by 4. That is, I get a plus b into 1 minus 1 by 2 minus equal to pi by 2. That is, a plus b is equal to pi by 2 upon 1 by 2 minus is equal to 2 pi upon 2 minus pi. But a was a upon pi square minus 4, b was b upon equal to 2 pi upon 2 minus pi. That is, I get a plus b equal to 2 pi upon 2 minus pi into pi square minus 4. That is, a plus b equal to 2 pi into pi plus 2 and minus outside. Hence, this is the value of a plus b. Hence, I can say second choice is the correct choice.